The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now, Hurricane Dorian is the topic right about now, and it is said that it's going to hit Florida, and with that the Bahamas is going to be affected. Now, I have a few videos to show you that is from the Bahamas that is caused by somewhat of an effect from Hurricane Dorian and from the expectation of Hurricane Dorian to hit the Bahamas. Now, one topic is that the sea rised, right? And it said that the sea rise to a point where some people had to evacuate some areas in the Bahamas, right, and seek shelter. Now, I am going to show you one video to give you an example of what it looked like. It did not show of people actually evacuating, but it shows of how high the water have gotten or how bad the situation is. You see what I say? Now take a look and observe.
Oh my God, the Father. You got spring tide, buddy. Just a duck. That's why they do food. That's why they cook food. And feel the water ready. I say, and feel the water ready. That's a nice boat we're passing. I wish I could be on that getting the flood right now.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so there you have it, the video showing you the height of the sea, how high the water is, and yes, it is affecting people in the Bahamas right about now. I have two pieces of video put together that shows of people in the Bahamas in a supermarket arguing, and it is said that these people are in the supermarket shopping in preparation for the hurricane that is known as Dorian. It is said to be called last minute shopping. Now be advised, viewers and subscribers, that this video shows of people arguing, you know, because of the whole hustle and bustle as I said, and I want to warn you that some of the scenes in this might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, just let me know in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
I noticed before. I got no shame. Long leg syndrome.